So let's say that now your player can pick up a key, and you want to be able to use the key to open the door, for example. You could do this with animations. I'm just going to keep things nice and simple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a destroyer behavior on the door. So in other words, we're going to destroy the door. So if I click on the door and edit behaviors, I'm going to add this destroyer component so that the door gets destroyed. And now I need to choose a trigger. I'm not going to use the collision trigger here, because if I choose collision trigger, the key will not actually collide with the door because the key is on top of my player, so it won't be able to actually collide with the door. So instead we're going to use proximity trigger. So we're going to say when the key's proximity, or in other words, when the key gets close to the door, then it will destroy the door. I'm just going to use this preset distance of 32 pixels. You can change this depending on what you need. So now I'm going to choose the X and Y proximity. So we have to get close in the X direction and close in the Y direction. And let's give this a little test play now. So great, my player picks up the key. And now hopefully if we carry the key to the door, oh, look at that. We have destroyed the door and we can fall off a cliff.